Hi, my name is Jacob Grisham, and this is CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. This is Project 0 entitled Search, and this is my video submission of that completed project. In this project, we were to design a front end for Google Search, Google Image Search, and Google Advanced Search. So I'm going to skip past the background and dive right into the specifications that I will be demonstrating in this application. So I created 3 pages, and in each of those pages, we have queries that power the searches, and I will also be demonstrating the appearance and the aesthetics. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So here's the code that I wrote, and it lives in my VS Code editor. So I'm going to copy the path and paste it into Google Chrome Canary. Now, my Google Chrome it has a lot of extensions and settings that may affect the application, so I just decided to use like a blank slate. And here we are. So for comparison purposes, let's just look at google.com. Awesome. So let's do a simple Google search. And here we are. Now if we compare it to Google's own Google search, as you can see, the URL string is quite long, but all that's really necessary is this bit right here. Sorry. Right here. As you can see, the same thing is right here. So let's also demonstrate the I'm feeling lucky button. Now my browser has redirect notice, and yours should hopefully just take you straight to the home page that you typed in. In this case, this is CS50's homepage right here. Let's move on to Google Image Search. And again, for comparison, I'm just going to look at what Google has. Sweet. So let's, again, CS50, best class. And here we are. This is the URL string parameters that tripped me up for a bit, but ultimately I figured it out. Lastly, okay, let's move on to Google Advanced Search. Again, for comparison, just going to pull up what Google has. Great. Now, Google has a lot more queries than I have on my page, and that's because of the specifications that were given to us. We were only asked to create 4 features, advanced search queries. So without further ado, let's dive right in. I'm going to look up the course's instructor, David Mallon, and there he is. And I'm going to type in an exact word, CS50, and I'm also going to type in this as well, and that should show up as the top result. And there it is. Okay, we'll go with any of these words again. I'm going to look at our professor, David Mallon. And lastly, we'll go with none of these words. And as you can see, there's the minus sign right there. So that was it for this application. Had a lot of fun making it. It was a good puzzle to solve in parsing out the URL string of a Google search. There's a lot of information that goes into a Google search URL, but ultimately there's only a few lines that are actually required to complete the bare necessities of the search itself. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and take care. Thanks. Bye.